Video. You got it? Yeah, it's going, baby. We got a 10-pounder on again here on the trophy stick. I don't know what to say about this. Look at that fish, dude. You getting it? I've been fighting this fish for a minute. Oh, man. Look at that fish. Oh. We could play all day. Look at that. I got the 4-inch trophy stick on. Here he comes. Oh. Let me net this bad boy. There we go. What's the date today? August 4th. Oh, look at that brute. Oh, man. Look at that brute. It's over 10 for sure. You videotaping that? Are you videotaping that?
Yes.
Are you? You videotaping that? Trophy stick, man. I'm trying to tell you, boys. Trophy stick, baby. Let's get the weight on that bad boy. On camera. Get it off of you. Get it off of you. Holy crap. How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Oh. Alright, we're going to let you see this real well. It's right over 10. About 10.5 pounds. Easy. Now look at the fish. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Look at the fish a little bit better. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Look at that. Dandy. Dandy. It's my 4th. Look at that. You love that. Don't get too mad about that. Trophy sticks, baby.
There you go.
Huh?
Nice.
Huh? It's a dandy. Alright, cut the camera. Read them wheat, baby. Look at that dandy. That's what you get, baby. Messing with the trophy stick. Woo! 30-incher. Alright, cut it. Dandy. 10-pounder. Read the scale. Oh, baby. Look at the fish. Trophy stick is the lure. We're going to put this one back. Make sure you get my shirt real quick, man. Put this down in the back. Look at that hog. Another one. It's been a good year. It's recording?
Mm-hmm.
Growling.